Chalk markers 8 vibrant, erasable, non-toxic, water-based, reversible tips, for kids and adults for glass or chalkboard markers for businesses, restaurants, liquid chalk markers, vibrant 6mm. Brand, Bandle B, ink color, multicolor. Number of items. 1. Point type, chisel, bullet. Recommended uses for product, writing, lettering. About this item. Important. Never use any chalk markers on chalkboard paint or low-quality porous chalkboards. Test in a corner first. Write on any primed chalkboard, glass or other non-porous surface. These chalkboard markers also make great window markers and dry erase markers. Use these chalk markers for glass, tile, contact paper, stickers, whiteboards, plastic, and metal with ease. The bright liquid chalk is sure to please. Bring your creativity to life. Perfect for hand lettering and freestyle designs, Bandle B liquid chalk markers come in 8 vibrant colors to help your designs, messages, and slogans pop off of chalkboards or whiteboards. These markers are easy to use and erase. Perfect for any occasion. Looking for a way to write out directions or say something you want everyone to read? The Bandle B liquid chalk markers are the perfect way to do it. For use in your home or business, the bright white color creates eye-catching designs on your writing surface to make a lasting impact. Reversible tip. Our liquid chalk markers with reversible tip makes it easy for anyone to create fine and bold lines. No more tedious filling in with a skinny marker or constant erasing with a bold marker. The Bandle B liquid chalk markers make it as easy as 1, 2, 3 to change tips. Shake, shake, shake. Always thoroughly shake your marker if you haven't used it recently, with the cap on, to make sure the powder and liquid are well mixed. This ensures a smooth flow and bright colors. If it's runny, shake a little more. Full 1-year 5-star manufacturer warranty. That's right, the manufacturer stands behind these liquid chalk markers. Refund or replacement for 1 full year, including your shipping costs, US only. Link in the description. Thank you for watching.